Say hi. Oh, we're at the Royal National Park, which is huge. And our goal is to see the figure 8 pools. I'll insert a picture of what they're supposed to look like. We hope we get there. We were told it's like a 2-hour hike, maybe, to get there. And it's not easy. Everyone says you have to be experienced. So wish us luck. I'll let you know if we survive. We don't know where we are or where we're going. Oh, here we go. Royal Coastal Walk. This shall be an interesting adventure. We're still at Civilization. Smile, ladies.
Where are we going? That way.
Figure 8 pool. Oh man, narrow, going through the grass. These steps are huge. Whew. My gosh. Whew. Oh wow.
Wow. Oh, freaky.
I'm thinking of all the things I've ever seen in my life that is like this put together. It's very interesting. Ugh. This is not like a traditional path. They're like boulders, so they're like steps. Not easy, but we're doing it. Look at that. My legs like aren't long enough to be making some of these steps. Oh my god, this is like straight flat. Pretty good. Oh god. We're like on a path, but I also feel like we're off the beaten path a little. Trying to figure out how to get up without dying. They're quite steep. Uh-oh, I don't see anyone anymore. Okay, I'm alone. Oh, I see them. Not alone. Just slow and behind the pack. Probably won't even include all of this, because this is boring. But first, look at this. It's like rainforest, meets jungle, it's like Hawaii, like Cumberland, Kentucky. Wow. You be careful, Shannon. Oh, no. No.
Look at that.
Don't dangle your legs. Do not, don't dangle your legs over that.
Okay.
Oh, Shannon, please. Oh, look. Shannon, turn around, say hi.
Hi.
Do you want to say hi? Wow. Oh my god, ow. Whoa, look at this guy. We were just at the top of a mountain. So we went up, now back down. Oh, it doesn't look as cool in the camera. Wow, that looks cool. So many palm trees. To the left, yeah. This looks like Windows HP like 2006 wallpaper. This looks like Windows HP like 2006 wallpaper. Oh shoot, look at everything. Wow, I guess we made it. This is cool, definitely. Oh my god. Like, it doesn't even look like it's possible to walk through it. Like, oh my god, look at that. This is insane. This is like insane. Oh my god. We can go cliff jumping. Just kidding. This is incredible. I complained a lot before starting this hike. I thought that I was gonna die because all of the reviews online, not reviews, things online basically said, do not do this unless you are a skilled hiker and are very in shape, and I am neither of those things. And I was really nervous because people were saying like basically don't go. We told one guy we wanted to come here and he was like, why don't you just go to this beach Cronulla instead? And we were like, well, that's not what we're here for. And I have to say that the view is honestly pretty worth it. It's pretty incredible. Yeah, that's my take on it. Still definitely hard and not easy though. Like, it was not easy peasy. I struggled, and going back is going to be a pain in the butt. But it's beautiful. We made it. We're at a beach. The path to get here was not fun. There was a path for a while, and then it just became like grassy area, like tall, grown out grass. Like there's no path anymore. And we had to walk through it blind basically, and that was scary. I think I'm allergic to hiking, because last time I did something like this, I got sick. This is definitely an adventure. Oh my god, look at this. It's so pretty. I just want to check in and say that this is not easy. We're like literally climbing through like rock formation. Like there is no set path. You just gotta get on a sturdy rock and hope your foot makes it to the next one. And it's freaking me out. Like some of these rocks are huge and like they're pretty sturdy. Other of them not so much. My ankles will definitely not be okay after this, but it's okay. I guess I can say I did it. And I have documentation to prove it, and that's all that matters. I need to relocate because where I am is not where I need to be. Oh no. Okay. Gotta put the camera away now. Okay, I'm back on flat-ish ground. This adventure is definitely not easy. There's like obstacles everywhere, seeing crabs everywhere. Oh no, I think I'm too far up. Shoot. Okay. Gotta figure this out. People really do make it look like it's easy. It's definitely not easy. We're going to the figure 8 pools. Hopefully we're almost there. I will show you guys what they look like when we get there. It's a literal 8. Oh, she's in. They're getting my GoPro footage for me. Yay!
Recording? Can I take it underwater? Yeah. Okay, ready? Hi! Woo! Is this working? Hello. We have made our way to the figure 8 pool. It was a treacherous ride, people.
I love it.
But now, have a look.
I love the confidence in your vlogging.
Oh my god. A vlog of a vlog. Now Emily's getting into like the sickiest pool of the day.
Oh my god, this one's so teeny tiny.
So we're gonna take some pictures and we'll talk to you later. Bye.
I love that. Say hi with chat. Okay guys, here's the update. First, we survived. I didn't vlog anymore after the figure 8 pools because we met some people. We climbed up a very steep like mountain, and then our goal after getting to the top, to this like parking lot, which is not where we started, was to Uber to the train station. But little did we know, Uber was unavailable. So we hitchhiked. We found these two very nice people who were probably like in their late 20s. They were from Ireland and they drove us from Royal National Park back to Sydney, and it was really, really nice. And yeah, do you have any comments to make, Shannon?
I just love our Irish friends and I wish they would have asked for our number so we could hang.
I know, we didn't get any kind of contact information, which kind of is unfortunate. But you know, the world works in funny ways and maybe we'll run into them one day.
But hitchhiking was an experience.
But hitchhiking was definitely an experience. I would consider doing it again if the people were not sketchy looking, because they were very nice. They were also hesitant to do it, so I think that
they were first timers.
Yeah, they probably were first timers, but they were so nice. It was such a good experience. But yeah, we're starving, and so now we're gonna go to Spice Alley, get some food, shower, and watch a movie and go to bed. I think this concludes our Royal National Park trip. Do you have anything to add, Emily?
Olivia did not think she was gonna make it on this hike, and honestly it wasn't that bad, so we're very proud that we all made it.
Well, I got really scared because I read things that said that it was really dangerous and hard and only advanced hikers should go on it, and we know I'm not advanced at hiking, and so I got nervous, but I did it. I'm really sweaty and gross. I need a shower. This concludes our Royal National Park trip. Hopefully this video makes sense and is good. This is the end. Say goodbye, ladies.
Bye.